Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our lemongrass chicken lettuce wraps. So first thing we want to do is make our lemongrass vinaigrette. So we've got a small bowl here, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, some salt and some pepper. Going to use lemongrass paste. Get that prepared where you can puree some lemongrass. Okay, we're adding in soy sauce. We have some fish sauce, or you could use oyster sauce. I also have minced garlic. We have lime juice. I'm going to whisk all this together. Okay, there's our vinaigrette. Okay, so we have shredded cooked chicken breast here. I'm going to take some of my vinaigrette. Spoon that over, toss your chicken. Okay, we've got some matchstick cut carrots. Some fresh chopped cilantro. Okay, we have some dry roasted peanuts. Give that a toss. All right, we're going to place some of our mixture here into our lettuce. Bit more peanut to add some crunch. You got the crunch of the carrot, crunch of the peanut. Okay, I'll roll this up. Just like that. All right, there are our lettuce wraps. So all that's left to do is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.